Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to the 2016 JEE Mains physics question paper. The second question, there's an error, so I think you should get marks for it regardless. I'll explain to you what the solution should be. R 45 degrees, A, B, C, D. A particle is moving along this square loop with a speed v. And we are asked questions about the angular momentum which is measured from the origin. So when it's going from A to B, the angular momentum is r cross mv. Now r at A is in this direction and v is in this direction. So r cross v will go inside the plane, and if this is x and this is y, z is outside the plane, so it will be in the minus z direction. And what will be the value? We can actually write this as this distance. If this is d, mvd will be the angular momentum. So the vector angular momentum from A to B will be mvd. Now d is r by root 2 because this angle is 45 degrees. So mv r by root 2, and the direction is minus k cap. And this is also the answer from D to A, because if it is coming from D to A, the perpendicular will be D in this direction, let's say D1 and D2, but that will also have the value of r by root 2. So L from D to A will also be mv r by root 2. What about the direction? R cap is in this direction, V is in this direction. R cross V once again goes inside the plane away from the viewer, and so it is once again minus k cap. What about L from B to C? In this case, we will have to take this total distance. This is V now. So if we take this total distance, the magnitude will come out to be mv times, this is r by root 2 and this is A. The side of the square is given to be A. So r by root 2 plus A. Now what's the direction? So this is r and this is V. So r cross V points towards the viewer coming out of the plane. That means this direction, which is the positive z direction. So k cap. L of C to D will give you the same magnitude, r by root 2 plus A, because once again the projection on this line will be A plus D1 or A plus r by root 2, and the direction, now this is r and this is V. So once again r cross V is pointing in the positive z direction coming towards the viewer. So k cap. Now we are asked the question, which one of these is false? So option 1 says that L is equal to minus mvr by root 2 from A to B. That is true. So the first option is true. The second option involves r by root 2 minus A, whereas it should be r by root 2 plus A. So it's false. The third option is true, and the fourth option is false because there should be a minus k cap. And if you are asked which of these options is false, the answer should be 2 and 4, but we are given that only one option is correct in these questions, so therefore there is an error. You would like 3 of these options to be true and any fourth one to be false, so that fourth one will be the answer to which one of them is false. But there are 2 statements which are false. So there is an error in this.